Hello, my fellow nation builders and Asgardians. It's been a while since I've done a video update, but I have some really exciting news for you today. Our book has arrived. The Unity Day book project is finally done. Here it is, the hardback version. Dreams of Life Among the Stars, a day in the life of a space citizen. So written for our Unity Day project, produced by nation builders. It's actually quite surreal to see, we have this actual book here with words and writing and stories from dozens of Asgardians. So credit to them. We've got you can't quite make it out there, but we've got written by Asgardians on there. The cover, Asgardians dreaming of a better life among the stars, as envisaged by our head of nation. On the inside cover, we have the dedication to the head of nation, Dr. Igor Asher-Bailey. And as you know, we will be giving this to him as a gift. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. The book is complete, and we'll be publishing the updated digital edition, which has got all the corrections in it. This is a first version, so I can't imagine that it's going to be completely free of mistakes. Given that we were just a few volunteers working on putting this all together. But I think the fact that it's completed is a real testament to show that Asgardians can take something from an idea, contribute to it, and bring something into the physical world as a result of that. So a huge congratulations to everyone who is now technically a published author. All of your names of the contributors are, of course, listed in this book. So you'll be able to see that when you go in there. We have a little thank you page at the end to all of the contributors. So yeah, the next steps for this really will be to go through it, read it, check it out, get a copy of this very first edition into the hands of Dr. Igor Asher-Bailey as we promised, and then we will see about what we can do to get this book into the hands of anybody who wants a copy of it. So well done, thank you very much, and I will be in touch with you again very soon.